Alright, it's, I don't know what, June. Father's Day is in 2 days, so whatever that makes it. Rock Creek again. The lake's still 13 feet high. Can't get out on any of the boat ramps, so doing the kayak thing. Got Brandon tagging along just because he wanted to get out and roll around this morning. So we put 8 out. I got, looks like 3 fish. We'll pull back through them, see what's up. This is the furthest out set. I roll by everything and then come back to them, so I'm not rolling all my gear back and forth. That same fish like I had last weekend. 1.5 pound, 2 pound scramble. Do you want to keep 3 fish?
Yeah, that'd be great.
If you want to, that's cool. Doesn't matter to me. You still see a little bit of night crawler hanging on this hook. Lately, since it's been flooded out, I decided I'd go ahead and just take and string a whole night crawler on the hook. There's a few straggles left there. Folks think they really dig it when they come up and they smell bait fish and worm scent. So, but it seemed to have helped us first few times. The lake's been high for so long now that I think the newness is worn off and the fish aren't doing. Right after it came up, they just were going crazy, feeding and going everywhere. It seemed to have slowed for some reason. The temperature and the bait, you'd think right now would be real hot, but all right. Yeah, that's that same fish from last week, man. I think that's the same thing we got down the way, 2 2-pounders. Like the boy from Georgia says, just perfect for a 12-inch skillet. You've seen these 2 trees a lot in our videos. I always double set them usually. Yep, same exact fish, man. This one might be a half a freckle smaller. Well, they are really dark from the dark water. That other one was really, really black dark. Well, 152nd trip in a row without a skunk, so last one was pretty sketchy. Man, right when the lake came up, we just destroyed them, and now that it's been up a while, it just seems like, it just is different. I just wish it would be normal. Alright, I set about half my sets last night back in this green stuff, and I mean, right in the middle of the green stuff, so. All the bait's been gone except for one. We got a small fish here, looks like. Got some pull on it now, by golly. Yeah, he is. Dude. Alright, little devil. He ain't no bigger, but he sure seemed meaner. Well, had 8 out, had half big baits, half small baits. Ended up with 3 channels just about that size, man. So haven't had a big flat all summer, all spring. The time of year and the way the water is, they should be killing flats right now, catching them anyhow. And but the lake is really jacked up, and sometimes it's fishing. You know, we still 152nd trip in a row without a skunk. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. We'll be back.